Don't expose me, okay? All right, let's start. The topic is car trip. Do you like to travel by car?
Yeah, well, I usually love to travel with car,
By
but
car, not with car. मैं मेरी गड्डी तक्का लाओ. Not like
by
this.
car,
By car,
okay.
yeah.
But sadly, I don't have one.
All right.
Yeah, but sometimes I borrowed a car
I
from
borrow car.
I borrow car from my friends, but usually they denied to give me
Okay.
their car because I am not
The
good with.
question is, do you travel by car? So
Oh,
you can
sorry.
say, yes, I travel by car. At the moment, I don't have my personal car, but my friends and some of my relatives and family members, they do have their cars. So whenever we go anywhere, we use car. So to answer your question, अपनी गुर्बत जरूर दसनी दुनिया नु. हाँ. Yeah, you don't have a car, don't worry. You will have 2 to 3 cars.
Yeah,
Inshallah.
inshallah,
Yeah, I'm
sir.
telling
Yeah.
you. When I had motorbike, I could never even dream of car. My dream was only इसकी टैंकी चेंज करवा दूँ. नहीं थे पैसे नहीं थे. I remember once the petrol was leaking और मैं वो magic depoxy लगा रहा था and all that. Didn't have the money. Bank account नहीं था. जो कमाता था वही खाना होता था. And then I used to look around. Okay, so inshallah. Then you will come to tell me. After
sir.
5-10 years, when you have 2-3 cars, you're going to tell me. All right? You'll
Okay,
just call
yes.
me and say now.
Bike at them.
Huh?
You will miss your bike at
Yes, you will. Exactly. Don't worry. Are you married?
No.
No problem then. You don't have a car, don't worry about it, okay? You need bike now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So let's go on. All right. What's your favorite mode of transportation?
Well, I usually use my bike to travel around the city, but sometime I travel with the public transport.
I travel by public
I
transport.
travel by public transport. I feel very good to use public transport because it's not only good for me, it is also good for my environment. So to answer your question, I usually use my motorbike and sometime my
When you said
public
environment, I
transport
thought you
also.
would say it's not good for me, it's also good for her. So we use public transport, okay? All right, let's go on. Do you like to sit in the back or front when you travel by car? Rear seat or front seat?
Well, front seat is my love. It is not.
Front seat is your love. You say kuchi kuchi with front seat, okay?
Yeah. Because you can really enjoy the scenery when you are sitting at front. So that's why I love to sit in front with driver. Sometime love to drive the car.
So if you are driving, then yeah.
yeah, there's
Others, singular, other.
sometime others and sometime other.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. One last question. Would you like to travel by air? You know, Jeem Jahaj. Yes.
Yes, that is my dream passion.
Wow.
To travel with the airplane.
To travel by air, not to,
To
travel
travel
with
so-
plane means either jahaz ud rahe, either main
travel
ud rahe. Okay, not like this.
Okay.
Travel by air. Yeah.
Okay. To travel by airplane.
Good.
So I am also planning to go to Canada. That's why I have also going. I am also actually going to experience the airplane ride. So to answer
Aeroplane
your question,
flight.
airplane.
Good. So what
okay.
would you do when you are in the aeroplane? Air hostess comes and says, "Sir,
Teen,
what
teen.
would you like to eat or drink? What would you order? What would you say?
I am going to order a lot of things like
Come on, say something.
like sandwiches, pizza, and some
Pizza and
some drinks.
Okay.
And her smile are also very
all
good.
right, all right, that's good. Okay, thank you so much. Overall,
Okay.
it's good. Keep it up, but try to answer all the questions following the pattern and use a variety of words. And one more thing, you need to take care of your pronunciation too.
Okay.
When you do IELTS
Okay.
listening, the way they talk, just try to speak like them. Okay.
Okay, sir, but I feel very uncomfortable sometimes. I try to concentrate on pronunciation.
Don't worry, naturally you will improve. Whenever you do IELTS listening, focus how they are speaking, how they are pronouncing different words. and try to copy them.
But they speak in native accent. That's why sometimes I feel
Don't worry, there are some audios in Punjabi accent also.
native mean to say that
Practice.
isn't.
I understand they have
isn't,
Australian accent, British and all that. Gradually you will get used to it. Now you cannot ask them to change their accent,
Sir,
but